Viewers, one of the accused in the Baruipur rape and murder case, Prabhas Mondal, killed in police encounter. Now, this has become a big story. Cops are saying that he was arrested earlier, but around 12:45 a.m., he was taken to spot for reconstruction of the crime scene. That time he tried to snatch police firearm and he tried to flee, and that time police opened fire. Just before initiating the reconstruction of the crime, in fact, in Suryapur, the alleged accused in this particular case, Prabhas Mondal, snatched the arm of one of the police personnel and fired one round on the team and tried to run away from the spot. During, so this is exactly what happened. Immediately he was shifted to Baruipur Hospital, where the attending doctor declared him dead. Rajesh is joining us on the phone line for more on this. Rajesh, good morning. Give us more details. Help us understand what exactly happened, because this has now become a big political story as well in Bengal. Okay, we'll try and reconnect with Rajesh in just a bit, but this is the latest update that we are getting at this point in time. One of the accused in the Baruipur rape and murder case, Prabhas Mondal, has been killed in police encounter. And now we have some breaking inputs as well coming in at this point in time. Politics has erupted after the encounter of Baruipur rape accused. The TMC has now hit out at Shubhendu government, saying encounter Raj has now come to Bengal as well from Uttar Pradesh. In fact, this is the update that we are getting for you. It seems that there is no substitute for, tough law and order. In fact, now this is the update that we have at this point in time. Politics erupting over what has happened in Bengal. TMC has targeted the BJP government in Bengal strongly. Politics has erupted after the encounter of Baruipur rape accused. The TMC has hit out at the Shubhendu government, saying encounter Raj has now come from UP to Bengal. We have a reaction as well coming in from TMC. Mahua Moitra, in fact, has put out a post on social media platform X, wherein she has said, and I'm quoting her here, Baruipur rape murder accused, Prabhas Mondal killed in encounter. What's going on? West Bengal police. Bengalis, please welcome new Bengal UP 2.0. This is the jungle law, is what Mahua Moitra, in fact, has said on what has happened in Baruipur. So this is the big story that we are tracking for you. We have Rajesh joining us live right now for more on this. Rajesh, politics has already erupted on this particular issue, but give us more details as to what really happened.
See, according to the police sources, this Prabhas Mondal, who was the first arrested accused in the Baruipur minor girl rape and murder case, he was the first arrested accused. He was arrested in the evening of Sunday. When the investigating officer of Baruipur police station was going to the place of occurrence for the reconstruction of crime, at around, according to the police sources, at around 12:45 in the midnight, he was taken to the spot which is place of occurrence under Baruipur police station area at Suryapur area. He was taken to that spot for the reconstruction of crime, and the police forces took the prime arrested accused to the spot for this reconstruction. During that reconstruction of crime, the arrested accused Prabhas Mondal allegedly snatched a firearm from one of the police personnel and allegedly fired on the police team, following which he was trying to flee from the spot, according to the police version, because the West Bengal police sources are claiming that the arrested accused was trying to run away from the place of occurrence by snatching firearm from one of the security personnel. And during that time, police started firing, and during this return fire from the police side, this arrested accused Prabhas Mondal got a bullet injury, and he was also nabbed by the police personnel. He was taken to Baruipur sub-divisional hospital for treatment, but police sources are claiming when he was taken to hospital for treatment, the on-duty doctor declared him brought dead. This is how Prabhas Mondal, the first arrested accused in Baruipur minor girl rape and murder case, got encountered in Baruipur. He he has been encountered in the same place, at the same place where the minor girl, where the 11 years old minor girl was allegedly raped and brutally killed. At the same spot, the prime accused, Bibhash Mandal, has also been encountered by West Bengal police. And let me tell you, this is the first encounter in West Bengal during this BJP-led West Bengal government.
Right. Rajesh, I'm interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. We have Manav Jaiswal of the TMC joining us on the broadcast as well. Mr. Jaiswal, good morning. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. Your first reaction to what has happened with Baruipur rape accused. Now, according to cops, he was taken to the crime spot for reconstruction of the crime scene. He allegedly snatched, in fact, the firearms. He tried to flee, and in response, cops fired, and that's when, he got injured, of course. When he was taken to the hospital, he was declared dead.
It's a shameful act. It's basically an act of a coward. This accused has done a heinous crime, and the law of the country said that he should have been hanged. So it's the incompetency of the police, it's the incompetency of this government who believes in Goli Maro Taloko. Our party believes in the constitution, our party believes in the judiciary, our party believes in the justice should be rendered to every victim, who whatsoever. It's very easy. It's the easiest way. It's a bypass way to tell to the people, yes, Sokale Dhorbo, Ratire Khorcha Korbo. They had a nara, they had a narrative for the Bengal, Bhoy Bar Baire Bhorsha in. Now what this government has done today, they have brought the boy in, not to the victim, not to the accused, even to the victim. That if
Right.
you if you go and talk to the people, and if you raise your voice, you might be shot dead.
Okay.
That is how this government is culminating everything into the Goli Maro thing. The model of the UP, which has
Okay.
actually been condemned by the central government, there has
Okay.
to be an investigation. Will the SIT happen? That
Okay.
this guy was running away?
Okay.
We wanted justice. We wanted him to be hanged within 90 days, within 30 days, within 60
Okay.
days.
All
We
right.
wanted
Mr.
a
Manav Jaiswal, thank you very much for the moment, for joining us with your perspective on this particular story. We have Rahul Sinha, BJP MP, also joining us on the broadcast this morning. Good morning, Mr. Sinha. Appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now. You heard what TMC had to say. According to TMC, it is UP model that has now come to West Bengal as well. This is Jungle Raj.
देखिए, अभी तक एक महिला का राज में पश्चिम बंगाल बलात्कार में देश का एक नंबर था, और हर बलात्कारी को तृणमूल कांग्रेस और मुख्यमंत्री उस समय का ममता बनर्जी खुलेआम सपोर्ट दिया। और महिला के बारे में क्या क्या उन्होंने मंतव्य किया, उस मंतव्य को अभी निकालिए और देखिए। हर समय उन्होंने जो पीड़ित है उसके खिलाफ बोला, अत्याचारी का साथ दिया, कारण सारे तृणमूल कांग्रेस का है। और इसीलिए आज जब ऐसा घटना घटा, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का कोई बोलने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है। वो तो जो अत्याचारी, जो संतरासवादी, जो रेपिस्ट का साथ देगा, ये तो स्वाभाविक बात है, उससे तो हटेगा नहीं। लेकिन बात यही है, जो आदमी ने खुद मृत्यु को चयन कर लिया, उसको कौन बचा सकता है?
ओके।
वो कानूनन जो लड़ाई, कानूनन प्रक्रिया को होने नहीं दिया, शस्त्रों आपसे हाथ में उठा लिया, और गोली भी एक छोड़ा। उस गोली मान लीजिए कोई पुलिस अधिकारी को लग जाता तो क्या होता?
टीएमसी का कहना है कि ये जो पूरी जो बात सामने आई है पुलिस के द्वारा इस पूरे मामले में, उस पर एक एसआईटी की जांच होनी चाहिए।
नहीं, वो तो जो जांच होगा सब होगा, वो तो उसमें चिंता उन लोगों को करने मत बोलिए, कारण उन लोग कोई जांच नहीं किया। ममता बनर्जी जो बोले वही जांच है, तो इसीलिए ऐसा नहीं है। इस घटना जो कैसे हुआ, ये हुआ, इसका तो जांच जरूर होगा, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है। लेकिन समाज से एक पाप खुद चले गए। एक कम से कम समझिए, जे एक समाज से बलात्कारी, समाज विरोधी, विद्रोही लोग, वो खुद अपना आप चले गए। ये बंगाल के लिए, समाज के लिए, बहू बेटे के लिए बहुत अच्छा सुसंवाद।
All right, Mr. Rahul Sinha, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me now go across to my colleague Pratibha. She's also joining us live on this particular story. She's joining us live from the newsroom. Pratibha, a lot of reactions have started pouring in because this has now become a big political issue as well in Bengal.
Absolutely, Hina, and the TMC is hitting out at the West Bengal government, also drawing parallels to Uttar Pradesh, saying it's a UP model that has now come to West Bengal. Mahua Moitra, the TMC MP, says the rape murder accused Prabhash Mondal was killed in encounter. What is going on? And she has tagged the West Bengal police, going on to say, Bengalis, please welcome the new Bengal Uttar Pradesh 2.0. The BJP Bengal is no government. This is jungle law. It's not just her. Sagarika Ghosh has also taken to social media, going on to say encounter Raj has now come from UP to Bengal. Togdo breeds more Togdo and is no substitute for tough law and order. So the TMC criticizing the encounter and going on to say that it's the UP model, Hina, that has now come to West Bengal.
All right. Thank you very much, Pratibha, for the moment for joining us with your inputs on this story.